Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to factory reset your Android phone in 2025. This is going to erase everything and return your phone to its original state. So this particular method would be perfect if you are fixing any kind of issues or if you are selling it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, before hopping on to the process of factory resetting your phone, you need to make sure that you back up your photos, contacts, and your files to your Google Drive or to your PC. If you don't know how you can back up your data in Google Drive, I've created a detailed tutorial on this topic. But here, let me just give you a brief detail about it. So here, you need to launch the settings of your device. Over here in the search bar, simply search for backup. Now once you are here in the backup section, tap on the option of backup, select your photos and videos, and you need to follow the process of backing up your data. So once this step is done, you need to again go to the settings of your device. Over here, simply scroll down and select the option of system and updates. Over here in your system and updates, you are going to see the option of reset or the factory reset option. If you don't see it over here, you can come back on the home page of your settings. Then you can use the search bar and search for the option of reset. So here you will find the option of reset phone. So simply tap on this option and you can give it the command of resetting your device. You will also be shown some of the warnings, so you need to simply just follow further instructions in order to erase all of your data, including the pins and the passwords and the patterns. Now once the reset is done, you need to launch your phone and you need to restart it, and it is going to basically reboot as a brand new phone and redirect you on the setup screen. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.